de ato dwa de bomodin a eno so timi bosire mo yeye no ye betimi ade ama yenetefo na ba ko anu so bokotodwuma yeye pa no eyo penane din ene Sam George ono minority spokesperson edema communications wo Ghana mrahye bedwafi ono ene ogire pa se wate se nansan de ene mpanifo se wo sim card no one san register biam ne de na anu se obehwa obefro obi atimi se emomu kura umi aso se kwana eni be se 1 second kura na bo tiane pun amamanfo bebre omani atime tutu de gu omsem eno achi obi okrompo na ne sim card no na sika woso de fanse momo no na bi woso aba ni se woye de ekoyi ema no su kokoyeye na panini gidie passe o gidie passe no be bi ase eyi wo mo a wodin ene national identification for no wo ma anwom no ma ye NFA communication authority for no wo mo so anwom no ma ye to gidie passe sa exercise na mpanifo bomodin a wo mo ye duru baby no mo de afutuo ekọ edema sa so ene bienu a wo ma ntie nyina no kame ese we no aye kwanti be ye mo nkomachi no mo san emra mapim biem.
Mr. Speaker, when I use the NCA's own short code, *400#, when I do *400# on my phone, the response that I get from the NCA through the MNO I use is this, and my colleagues here can verify. It states my name. What is my name there? George Samuel Nothing. Then it tells me, please dial *404# to link your Ghana card to your SIM card. I have not sent any document to the MNO. So how do they know my name if they don't have my details? Mr. Speaker, this is the point we are raising. The minister says that, people should have chosen not to register. Madam Minister, since December 2022, every month I have been to the National Identification District Office in Prampram to register. The NIA office in Prampram, like every other district office across the country, since December 2022, has stopped registering Ghanaian citizens. How do you expect them to register? You may take this as a joke, but anybody coming from the Afram Plains, Donkokrom, would have to go all the way to Koforidua. Mr. Speaker, let us be clear that the NCA, acting on the directives of the Minister for Communications and working through the MNOs, has created what poses the biggest national security threat to our country today. But an indiscriminate blocking of SIM cards of Ghanaians who ought to have access to their SIM cards for the conduct of business and sustenance of livelihood. I call upon this House to impress on the Minister for Communications to go back to the drawing board and engage the NIA and do a proper process.
Process amudin kan de. Enya ba kokra. Mo say yen SIM card no, ye register no foforo. And mo say ye mo *400#. Wo boy ya wo send ya no. Na edwudi aba enti se ekobo se nei wo mo ye Ghana card na se bi o mpese wo ye sa SIM card registration se de ende no wo mo ni mi documents wo mo ni mi details a aye den na me boss a code no a mi din ni mi bibia timi aba so ma na yeye enti no pade wo so agi tuma enya de be yeye eno chi wasi wono ana fe Ghana fo nyina betimi adi ho adanse se efri December bosumi wa fimpino ene aduonum yenu December 2022 ebe nyina ono ankasa na ba to mpesu aso no wakọ baabi ampanifo atiwesi wonom se wo menye Ghana card wasi wakọ wonom prebebre so wakọ akwa ne Ghana card wasi efri wo besi ne obekọ bia no obi ne wonom a wa ye adwuma na nkampese wo ye obi Ghana card atimi de amano na we yedi pia eye kama ne yeye ekame esempanifo pese omufo kwati kwa bi so no omde omanfo abro no omde omanfo awuo ena afenso ne kambebre ene abo ede fa sa exercise we ho etu ono de osusu se ebeya ye maami ane gine esra eye akufo ne wo maka kire nyina no wo monko machi na wo ne wo ye Ghana card nyina enkam no mo fa process papamra se ebeya wo bia ye twa ne eye ne ye fa ne sim card mu nyina no o matuma hwe asan ye ne de foforo atimi ede ama no
na san ko mo twetwe to aso a Amora Sam George asan de bika ho a